Mama's happy with her vehicle. My Monte Carlo's getting painted. 24s. Y'all know I'm putting rims on. I'm rimming up all my cars. Just wait. Sit there and wait, man. Sit there and wait. So, but y'all just wanted to catch this. Y'all know they did good. This is Z28. This is not an IROC. Straight Z28.
Top of it, come on, let's get up. I gotta see if it's crossfire or not.
It is a crossfire.
It is a crossfire.
That's the best engine. Crossfire engine.
The hell it is.
Tell me retarded and ride the yellow bus.
Turn the car in circles until the tires bust. Out the window like cuss. On the hood of the scraper like.
Lucky's Wheels and Deals. We back at it again with another lit video, you guys. So today we about to go ahead and fill up the Corvette. We put 91 up in this thing, man. It's an old car, no ethanol. Yeah, we don't want this car to mess up at all. It looked like I could see the gas in there. Like it was in there. It wasn't empty. Well, here we go, man. For those that did not, I see what y'all saying. We are going to be changing the rims out. You know what I mean? But first, before I know, just like y'all folks, man, want to put the rims and the beat in there and the car ain't running right. No, that's not me, buddy. What we're gonna do is we're gonna make sure we're gonna take this to James, my negative mechanic, the most negative person I know. We're gonna take it to negative James, and he gonna let you know. That's cool. I can actually see how full it is. That's dope. I think that's cool. I can actually see. I don't know, can y'all see it? But I can actually see how full it is. Unleaded fuel only. I hope it starts right back up. Hope I don't need to jump it, but we'll see. Now the gauges want to turn on. Yeah, most likely we're gonna have to go get a new gauge, but I just want to get his opinion on it. Matter of fact, close this. It's kind of hot. Let me ride and talk to y'all while we up in here, man. Let me put this window mount on there on time. For those that y'all know me, I always give out the game. I'm not. Y'all watch me, y'all support me. I always give out y'all the game, man. If y'all guys want to get into this, it ain't no secret. A lot of people asking what camera you use. What I got my ice water too. Got my ice water. Alright, let me mount this camera real quick. And no, we was not gonna play Remember the Bet. Remember the Bet. Y'all missed it. What, the last video? Yeah, the last video I gave out some money. Y'all know I pinned the comment. He got his money, man. It feels good to give back to others, man, especially the ones that support you. And that's how I do it, man. No, everyone can't win, but it's just like my little give back, man. Anything will help. I know I ain't gonna fill your tank up. Well, I put 31. Let me see how much I put in here. Fucking kind of hot, man. Got the glass roof, no AC. 3150, 3151. Sorry. I actually like this car. Whew, I need that window to go work. I wanna drive it first before I start throwing money at it. Make sure it's good. This is my actually first real drive. I didn't even drive it. Like I drove it a little, like up the street, but I didn't really get to like drive it. So I really don't got it that bad. Really. Oh man, get off the way. Some people saying get some C7 rims and put them on here. I have not seen that done. Y'all can send me some rims or some rims I think I should put on here. These rims got to go though. They got to go. Tune-up, spark plugs, wires, all that. And again, though, ain't no telling what type of gas he put up in here. He probably put that ethanol. You know, he didn't know too much about it, but man, we got the dashes in good shape. This car is pretty much in good shape. But you know, like when you got people that don't know too much about cars, touching stuff, you got everybody, all your little friends touching it. We got like a whole bunch of pieces. That dash piece is missing for no reason. I forgot to ask him, why is the radio out? Why did you take the radio out? These gauges, I know one thing I know for sure by watching a lot of videos. These gauges are notorious for having problems. So I might need to find either aftermarket gauge or something. I don't know. It's faulty. Lucky is a daredevil, man. I'm driving. 30 minutes, but not probably, I don't know, I think about like 20 minutes in the car. And it's hot outside. Taking the risk of being stuck on somebody's side of the road. Daredevil, man. I could have hauled it. I could have did all that. I don't got no one out here to help me, pick me up or nothing. nobody gonna want to go behind you. Now, if you plan on keeping it, I don't know, that's how a lot of stuff gets destroyed. Like these old car people go trying out shit with no supervisor. At least if I'm out there trying to attack something, I need someone there with me to teach me. Or no, it's kind of hard to learn on your own, and then you mess up, and then there ain't no get back, or nobody wants to help you put it back together. Or you end up taking a whole year trying to put it back together, and it's simple, but you not knowing what you're doing, messing up stuff. Oh, like this, like why isn't this? There's not a screw in there or something. Oh, missing screws. Like why is there a screw missing, man? Stupid. Isn't this motor a 350 or 305? I gotta do my research on these Crossfire. This got the Crossfire motor. I know this is like the first year of the C4. I know that much. I know this is the least, the slowest engine for the Corvette in this generation. I'm already up on that. But hey, for the price I got this for, I can't complain, man. I can't complain at all. I can't complain. I got a classic for the price of wah, 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 wah. Let's see what this negative boy James got to say though. I'm about to get it all on camera for y'all. But other than that, man, it drives pretty good. Trying to get the first ride. That's why I got the camera on right now. I'm trying to get the first ride. Let's see my first. I'm gonna try to take off from the light. See what happens. If I just floor it, if I just smash it. Let's see. Video of me having a C4 on YouTube already. Is a white one. I sold that one. I only made a couple of dollars on that one, but that one was a cool, nice one. Y'all should go check out that video. It's a throwback. I recorded that 3 years ago, 4 years ago. I don't know. It's an old video. Y'all go back and check it, man. It's Lucky Wilson. Type in Lucky Wilson Deals and put C4 Corvette. And that's one that I sold. It was a white one. So y'all go back and check out my old video, man. Go back over there and leave a comment, man. See what happens. Let me know that you went back and watched it. C5, the C4s, the C5s, the C6, the C7, they all got the same style. It gets bigger and better every time though. Of course the horsepower goes up, but like the same concept of how the hood is like long, back is like this, all open, two-seater. Two females back. Well, I got one female on the side of me, two other females in the back laying down. Oh man, on some real player stuff. But anyways, I'm about to pull up over here and we're gonna holler at James. Let's get it. Oh, they got that Trans Am out. Ho 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 ho. Yeah, man. They're over here working. Man, it's hot as hell out here. Woo. Well, it's hot as hell inside this thing, man. What up? There's some work done from here. What up, Richard?
What's happening, dude?
What up, man?
Same shit, different day.
Man, what up, man?
You bought a crossfire injection.
What you think?
That's it?
Yeah, what you think? Negative James.
I think the headlights are stuck up.
Yeah, I need y'all to fix all that. I need an estimate.
That's it. Dude. Pop with it. Come on, let's get up. I gotta see if it's crossfire or not.
It is a crossfire.
It is crossfire.
That's the best engine. Crossfire engine is the
hell
best.
it is.
Oh.
Since when?
Crossfire is the best engine.
Best engine for fucking emissions and non-power.
Push down a little bit on your side.
What's that?
This side's unlocked. Push down a little bit on your side. Pull, pull, pull.
There's two wires. Hold on.
Yeah.
Oh, I need something to hold this. Oh, you got that.
Yeah, oh yeah, I gotta get that.
Oh shit. Shit, I don't know. I just bought it. I doubt it. Shit, I traded it. I traded it.
What trade?
A Honda.
Honda?
Yeah.
Good thing about the Honda, it had only one hook cable.
Damn, you got a wire strip?
Yeah.
I bring you over here for the most negative people I know. Crossfire. The best engine that Corvette ever made. And I'm putting my foot down. I pulled the shorter one. I think it's the shorter one or the longer one. No?
I don't want to pull it and break it.
I was doing it. Probably gotta do it over.
I'm pushing that one now.
Damn. It was working just fine. I don't know what the hell. The hell? Oh shit. I'm gonna leave this thing running there.
I'll let you do those. I'm gonna go try to push down on that hood latch.
Okay. I'm gonna leave it running because this thing was dead, so I had to jump it. Let me make sure it's still. God damn. Squirt.
A mad bitch.
I'm gonna leave this car here with y'all.
Put it down and do something. Let me know what we were doing.
Down. Yeah. This car needs some work. I'll probably leave it here and let them get to it. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. God damn. Y'all see how that is working, but not working. Like, I don't know, I'm about to go ahead and leave it here. I'm gonna let them go ahead and fix everything that need to be fixed on this car. I ain't messing with it. I ain't messing with it. They're parking next to the other bucket. It looked like it wants to work. I don't know, any of y'all guys got any ideas? Should I order another gauge? That's what I was thinking about doing. I'll just order another gauge. Or see if they can fix this gauge. So, we're about to go ahead and get up out of here and leave this car here. I'm gonna have them fix that window motor, or what the window. I'm gonna have them fix that window. I don't know what's wrong with it. Fix this gauge, put all this stuff back together. Make sure, get the fans working right, get the motors to go up and down. So yeah, guys, we got a lot of stuff to be fixed in this vehicle, but we are leaving it here. I'm not messing with it, and then I'm gonna have them fix the the hood thing to put up. So we gonna get it right, man. We gonna get it right. That's why I said rims first. No, let's make sure this thing running right. I can't do that, y'all. I can't go rims first. Can't be sitting out in the parking lot looking good with rims and can't drive. No, not me. So pretty much I'm stuck here for like an hour and a half till my boy James on lunch so he could drop me off at home. Ain't that about a beep? Oh, let me get my jump box too. Can't need these. Oh. And my wah-wah. I'm gonna even standing out here with these guys, man. Hey, that's why I be telling y'all the grind is real lucky. Yeah, it's the easiest job in the world. Go ahead and do it. Go ahead and do it. Go ahead and do it. Speaking of Corvettes, there you go, right there. Oh yeah, 90s type. So it's 82. I see how they switched it up a little bit. 84, 90s, and see how they switched it up. Get some work done. I put in that work. My Monte Carlo's getting painted.
What kind of camera is that?
Oh, GoPro. Going on, man.
How much that set you back?
Huh?
How much set you back?
About 500, 600, something like that. Yeah. I just lost my other one. I just bought this one. I lost the other one. Riding on the jet skis and it went down. I fell off and it sunk to the bottom.
Oh.
I'm like, oh man, I lost. I had footage. I was more mad about the footage. I had like 5 videos on there that I wanted to release. Man, it looked like a whole different vehicle. Man, I didn't even recognize it.
They hadn't pulled all the tape off yet, but it's.
Yeah, I didn't even call. This last minute thing.
Yeah, once you get it out, if you want me to finish it up, just swing it back by and I haven't cleaned it up for you.
Okay.
Okay, let's see if
I'm
it's
gonna
starting.
take it.
Yeah.
Might be dead. I don't know. Let's see. Yeah. All right.
I'll be right back.
All right. Let's tape off. Oh yeah, man. So we picking up my mom's SUV today. She been wanting this. What, it been about 2 years, not 2 years, 2 months. I gotta take this shit. My mom did not want to wait. My mom was impatient. She said, I want my car back. I'm like, you know they gotta clean and all that. She wants her car back. So y'all guys didn't know, someone came over here and jacked man, what the hell? Was this already like this? I don't know. Oh man. So yeah, they jacked the Cadillac converter on it. So it's too goddamn hot, man. If it wasn't for my mom, I would have been done for today. I want this damn car back. So you gonna get her car back. It's goddamn hot out here, mama. Shit. want these hot ass cars. Yeah, they got. Oh, she can bring it back up there and have them clean it up. I don't feel like dealing with this. And it won't unlock. Oh, she probably have fun doing this shit. Probably look all the way different. She not caring about the value dropping. This is, she ain't selling it. She keeping it. Oh, that's the main thing. Paid extra for them to do the under here. God damn. Taking up some stuff. Man, that tape is strong. God damn. Ooh, did I? Damn, I done messed it up. Damn. I'll get another one for her. Trying to take that damn tape out with one hand. The door don't unlock. I'm gonna wait for Paul where he can go ahead and jump this car. There's actually an IROC I wanted to film for y'all over here in the front and a Cutlass. So let me get over there and check that out. So we out here riding. Let me see. Go for a damn AC work in this goddamn car. Try to run that AC. That little old car, man. Don't take your car to Mako. Why not? Why not? Y'all want me to spend $10,000 on a Mako paint job. That's a nice blue Camaro right there. Let me set my mom up real quick. Let this thing run right here. Muffler shop, bro. I wanted to get this footage for y'all. Woo! You can drive my car.
Oh, okay.
Your car, it don't got AC?
Yeah, it did. Oh, no, it don't.
How did that spin? Let it drive my car. But look, the muffler shop over there on
By the pawn shop?
that by 59th and West.
Yeah, I think it's next door to the pawn shop.
Yeah, right there. But yeah, they got this IROC. Look like they just painted the door, or they painting. I don't know, but they ain't get these chippers down here. They didn't get them chippers, but hey. It's all good though. At this point, you better off getting the whole car painted, in my opinion. Get the whole car painted. So got the IROC out here. So the IROC's worth more than the 80 Camaros. I mean the Corvettes then. The Camaros worth more than the Corvettes then in the 80s. And then the Monte Carlo is worth more than the IROCs in the 80s. Have more value. It seemed like the Monte Carlo SS 80s model worth more. Then you got the IROCs, and then you got the Vette way low. That's backwards. Then the Vette should be up, and then the Camaro, and then the Monte Carlo. Yeah, stuff is all backwards. But anyways, guys, to each his own. Yeah, I'm about the 24s. Y'all know I'm putting rims on. I'm rimming up all my cars. Just wait. Sit there and wait, man. Sit there and wait. So, but yeah, I just wanted to catch this. Y'all know they did good. The paint looked good on it. I ain't gonna lie. The paint looked real good on it. The paint look real good on there. So let me walk over here and get this footage of this. I think it's a Cutlass. Let's see what it is. Or what is this? Boy, the grind is for reals. And I'm gonna try to edit this video and drop it later on for y'all, man. Cause I'm kinda, man, I just been taking it easy, man. Trying to take it easy. I ain't gonna stress it. They got old school, Grand Prix. Good old Grand Prix, man. Grand Prix, SJ. Boy, Mako got them going on. Then we got, I know a lot of y'all been watching my Mako videos, man. A lot of people bring their old schools to Mako. Yep, a lot of people bring their old school cars to Mako now. Thanks to me, they've been watching my video. Where you get that paint? Where you get that paint special? That $2.99, y'all made the price go up, man. I should stop promoting that, man. Y'all made the price go up or something, man. They done took it off the window here, and they don't even got a $4.99 special no more. Man, y'all done made the prices go up. Well, actually, I did. I kept promoting them a little bit too much. But let's get over here to this muffler shop. Hopefully, they can just get me in, or whatever. I'll drop the car off, or whatever I gotta do. I don't feel like waiting. It's too damn hot. My mom don't got no AC in her car. Oh man, I think when we dropped this car off, it was still cold. I don't even think she's gonna be in a rush to even drive this car now after we rushing it out. We told them like, man, hey, we go ahead and get it fixed, man. Y'all pay us back or whatever the case is. But mom's want her car back. She tired of driving. Y'all know I gave her that Charger, but she ain't nothing like her own stuff. She want her vehicle back. Some air flowing up in here, man. It's so hot up here. No water. Damn, son, this is what you be dealing with every goddamn day? Hell yeah. You can do it for 15, 10 minutes. I'll be out here for hours, man. It's just, struggle is real, man. This heat is something else, y'all. Hey, make sure y'all go over there to the Lucky Nation station, man. I've been dropping some bangers over there. I've been talking my shit over there, man. I ain't gonna lie. I've been wilding. The Raw and Uncut channel. I've been, you know, showing some different type of stuff over there. Plus, I actually brought the gaming back to the Lucky Nation station just because I'm monetized over there until I get enough subscribers and enough game people to subscribe over there to the Lucky State Gaming. I'll probably continue just posting short clips or whatever, or I'll probably I'm gonna stay going live on the Lucky Nation station, and then after I finish over there, I'll just download it and re-upload it over there at the Lucky State Gaming, since it's a whole different fan base over there. Woo, it is hot. Mind your damn AC ain't working. Might have to get it charged for you, but one thing at a time, player. One thing at a damn time. Mobbing. Get out of here. Get out. I should have let my mom drive this car first. She could see the difference. I don't remember. Hey, they move in slow motion. Poor little whoever driving that Ford found on the road daily. Found on the road dead. Oh, someone's struggling in that Ford Taurus, man. But I need to hurry up and make it through this damn heat. I'll holler at y'all when I pull up over here to the. No, matter of fact, oh, my mom right there. I forgot she don't know her way around here. What we got? Oh, that's just that oil pressure thing. You know, the sensors do the same thing like the what's that called? Man, it's gotta look all the way different. She should have probably. I'm gonna tell her to go back over there and let them clean it up after we fix this. I don't even know what the hell it looked like underneath. Man, come on! Come on, feel that breeze. So I want to get some freeway footage for y'all real quick. Got that damn Chevy Impala breaking down. Alright, so we made it over here to the muffler shop. It seems like every time I come up here they eat. Come up here at the wrong time. But anyways, let me look up under here, see what's going on. Okay. So we need just a straight pipe right there to right there. Shouldn't cost that much. Right there. God damn, this ground is hot. Jeez. Y'all see it? Fuck that. This goddamn ground too goddamn hot. Oh, one thing I wanted to record for y'all, is another Camaro. All this is telling me, Lucky, keep Roxanne, this thing is clean. No, it's not clean, but y'all know what I mean. It's cool to see one still on the road, not toe up. And the paint, and yeah, paint and all that. They got the carburetor life. I didn't know they working on old schools up here. I didn't know. They got the lights. Y'all think I should upgrade my lights? Y'all think I should upgrade my lights? I like my IROC better. It's a newer one. This reminds me of like a 90s. This is Z28. This is not an IROC. Straight Z28. Yep. Straight Z28. Not an IROC, but let me go ahead and shut this vehicle off. It's hot. Let me see. Y'all think it'll start? Remember the bet. Remember the bet. Okay. Let's start back up. I'm gonna buy my mama a battery. Need to buy her a whole bunch of things. God damn. All right, so she need another mirror too. I don't know how that happened. I don't know. Was this like that or not? I don't know. All right, y'all. Let me drop these keys off real quick. I just woke up from my nap, man. I'm back over here. 2 hours done passed since I dropped it off. We still over at Muffler King. They get in. We got a Camaro and a Dodge in there. And about to go ahead, take this car back to my mom. We'll go pick her up. I got the Monte Carlo over there. Her car looked pretty good. Let me make sure this car starts before I start talking. Make sure it crank right up. Oh, this is dead. So crank right up. Alternator, battery good. Man, one thing I need to show, man, say is, man, lately, see, today I've been posting retro short videos of my videos that everyone haven't watched my old videos, and I got way more subscribers than when I dropped these videos. When I had these originally dropped these full-length videos, I think I had what, 30,000 subscribers. I got 109,000 subscribers now, so it's kind of like, or even if I had 50 or 60, I got half of the subscribers that I had when I dropped the video. So it gets annoying when someone said, stop dropping these old ass videos. Man, hold on. First of all, homie, this is my motherfucking channel. I could cuss and say whatever the fuck I want to say on my channel. So that shit's annoying as fuck. Reading comments, Oh, this old. Okay, it's old. It's old to you. Yeah, you've been rocking with me for a minute. I appreciate the support, but goddamn, hey, it's YouTube. As a matter of fact, it's Instagram. Like shit, I ain't never posted this video on Instagram. It's new on Instagram. And hell no, I'm not reminiscing. And he ain't say that, but I'm just letting y'all know I wasn't reminiscing, but ain't nothing wrong with reminiscing. I just wanted to show people some shit they haven't showed. Like shit, I used to do different shit. Like for instance, of me getting pulled over, I ain't got pulled over in 2 years. And knock on plastic, you know what I mean? I had to get on here and wake up and talk my shit, man. Woke up to a damn message. I'm like, what the, hold on. Oh, they got a Camaro back there? That look like a Camaro 5. I don't know. I had to come back and holler at them. But yeah, man, I had to wake up and like, hold on, man, you got me messed up. This is my channel. Post whatever I want to post. That's why it's called YouTube. You know what I mean? But hey, mama's car. I bet you this car drives way better than when she had it. I'm gonna go pick her up and then have her bring me back. She could drive this. I know she missed her car. I don't know what all this stuff is. I don't know. A lot of this stuff is on her plate, front plate. I don't know. Mama wanted her car. She gonna get it. But yeah, man, no disrespect or nothing, but I had to let people know, man, like, okay, if I post an old little short 30-second video talking about this is an old video, man, let me just go ahead and do my thing. Like, for real. Like, damn, he act like I re-uploaded an old, like a full-length video. It's only a 30-second, 15-second video. Just to show people, like, something different. Plus, I'm getting paid on my shorts. Why not? I'm trying to run a bag up, man. I'm trying to get my money, man. Don't knock my hustle. Don't knock my hustle, man. If you've seen it already, that's cool. Like the video, share the video, show everybody. Just because you know who I am, everybody don't know who the hell I am. You know what I mean? So look, I'm still trying to come up. I need to get another 100,000 subscribers that's gonna watch every single video just like you. I need more subscribers like you. I need people to keep watching my videos, you know what I mean? So yeah. But anyways, guys, man, let me go ahead and go pick up my mom real quick and I'll get right back to y'all. Mama's happy with her vehicle. I tell you, they fly around that corner. See, you can probably just go through this parking lot and flip around. All right, ma, I love you. Oh, happy with that. Oh shit. Took care of mama. You gotta always take care of mom, man. I don't care. Without her, there's no me. So you gotta make sure you take care of mom, man. Y'all out there that still have your mom. I know a lot of y'all don't have your mom out there. I'm blessed to still have my mom, so make sure you guys take care of your moms, regardless if they mad at them, because I know I have a lot of friends that they not raised like I am, and they don't have the same relationship with their mom. So, and which is sad, but it is true. I got a lot of homies that they just don't get along with their moms, and they don't have the same relationship. So I cherish the relationship I have with my mom and my dad. So mainly my mom, because my mom raised me and my brother, so out there in Cali. And then I came out here when I was grown, because a lot of people be thinking my dad raised me. My dad did not raise me. So me and my dad got a good relationship, but he did not raise me. I just had to put that out there, because some people be like, oh, your dad raised you good. Like, no, he did not raise me. My mom raised me and my brother, single mother. So hey, it is what it is, but it's all good. But anyways, no love lost. I'm not talking to no one directly, but I just, you know, I gotta post what I gotta post, man. Like with YouTube taking down my views ain't doing me right, man. I've been doing YouTube. I've been busting my ass off doing YouTube, man. Y'all should try it. You can't speak on it. Only YouTubers that been doing YouTube understands it. People that just watch the viewers, y'all don't understand how this YouTube shit work, man. Like, you can work hard and try to post the best shit, the weakest shit, stay consistent, man. They'll still flag your shit down, or man, it's just a non-stop up and down with YouTube, man. I've been up making this kind of money, and I've been down making like, god damn, y'all just took my whole half of my damn paycheck. Like, So to get involved, to build a lifestyle for YouTube and get used to something, man, and then it goes down, it messes with you. Mentally, physically, emotionally, all that. You know, because, hey, messing with my money is like messing with my emotions, Smokey. But anyways, guys, shout out to the whole Yee gang. Shout out to the whole Lucky Nation. Shout out to the whole Lucky gang. Shout out to the whole Lucky Wheels and Deals establishment. But just like that, this video is over. Make sure you guys like, share, comment, subscribe, Lucky Wheels and Deals, and I'm out. Yay!
Dummy retarded and ride the yellow bus.
Turn the car in circles until the time's done. Out the window like, cuss. On the hood of the scraper like.